Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen essential that caught our eye, the Cuisinart 3-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set. We found this product online, and we've added a link in the description so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The Cuisinart 3-piece mixing bowl set includes 3 durable stainless steel bowls, designed not only for durability but also for versatility in the kitchen. The set features bowls of 3 different sizes, 1.5 quarts, 3 quarts, and a larger 5 quarts. This range makes it perfect for various cooking and baking tasks, whether you're whipping up a small batch of dressing or mixing dough for a family-sized pizza. One of the standout features of these mixing bowls is their non-slip base. This thoughtful design element ensures that the bowls stay securely in place while you mix, whisk, or stir, which is especially useful when you're working with thicker batters or doughs. No more worrying about your bowl sliding around your countertop. Another great feature is the fact that these bowls nest together for convenient storage. If you're like me and often struggle with kitchen storage space, you'll appreciate how easily these bowls stack away when not in use. They take up minimal space in your cabinets, allowing you to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Now let's talk about the material. The stainless steel construction not only ensures that these bowls are durable and resistant to wear and tear, but they also don't retain odors or stains from the foods you prepare. Plus, they're dishwasher-safe, which means cleanup is a breeze. You can focus on enjoying your delicious creations rather than scrubbing away its stubborn residue. Who is this product suitable for? Well, these mixing bowls are perfect for anyone who loves to cook or bake, whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef. They're especially great for families or individuals who often prepare large meals or enjoy hosting gatherings. The variety of sizes offers something for every task, making them incredibly versatile. Let's explore some practical use cases. If you're baking a cake, you can easily use the smaller bowl for mixing your dry ingredients and the larger bowl for your wet ingredients. Once you're ready to combine everything, you can do so without any hassle. If you're tossing a salad, the generous capacity of the 5-quart bowl allows you to mix everything together without worrying about overflow. Additionally, if you're meal prepping, you can use these bowls to marinate meats or mix up large quantities of sauces or dressings ahead of time. In summary, the Cuisinart 3-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set is an essential addition to any kitchen. Their durable construction, non-slip base, and smart nesting design make them not only functional but also a pleasure to use. They're suitable for anyone from casual cooks to serious bakers, and their practical applications are nearly endless. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.